Here is some interesting current news from around the world. China approves vaccine trials. Countries and companies are in a race to come up with a successful vaccine for COVID-19. Though Russia became the first to announce a successful vaccine, the World Health Organization hasn't approved this Russian vaccine yet. The People's Republic of China announced that it will start Phase 1 trials of a nasal spray form of a COVID-19 vaccine in November this year. Do you know what a nasal spray is? It is a solution that is sprayed into the nostrils using a special dispenser that allows the solution to be pumped out with a little pressure. You must have used a nasal spray to help with congestion in your nose due to a cold or allergies. A Beijing-based immunologist said that compared with injections, a nasal spray vaccination is easier to administer and would be easy to mass produce and distribute. An immunologist studies the defense system, that is, the immune system, of a body. China is recruiting 100 volunteers for the Phase 1 trial. US spacecraft gets a special name. An American spacecraft that will journey to the International Space Station is being named after a famous astronaut of Indian origin. She was the first female astronaut of Indian origin to go to space and contributed significantly to human space flight. She died in 2003 in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. Can you name this famous astronaut? The commercial spacecraft is being named in honor of NASA astronaut Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla lost her life when the US spacecraft Columbia disintegrated during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Chawla was posthumously awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor. Do you know what posthumously means? It indicates something that occurs, usually an honor or award, after the death of a person. India-Japan Pact. India has signed an important agreement with Japan to help maintain peace and security in the Indo-Pacific region. The agreement is for reciprocal provision of supplies and services between the Indian Armed Forces and the Self-Defense Forces of Japan. Do you know what reciprocal means? A reciprocal agreement is one that requires both parties involved to give equally. This agreement will increase military cooperation between India and Japan. Both countries are currently facing border disputes with China. Japan is the sixth country with which India has such an agreement. The US, France, Australia, South Korea, and Singapore are the other 5 countries that India can reach out to for help and cooperation for India's defense operations. Under these agreements, India must also support warships and military aircrafts and defense operations of these 6 nations when needed. These pacts with friendly countries are helping India counter China's expanding hold across the Indo-Pacific region. New noise-cancelling invention. Do noises like this bother you around your school or home? Scientists in Singapore have invented a cool new device that can cancel out annoying noises of urban areas and allow fresh air to come into homes. The concept behind the invention is similar to using high-tech headphones that cancel out external noise and allow us to listen to an audio piece better. A number of small speakers are placed on a grill on the outside of a window. When these speakers detect a sound from outside, they create a countering sound wave that cancels out some of this sound. A lot of people living in busy areas of cities avoid opening their windows because of the loud, unpleasant noises of vehicles, horns, machines, music, subway trains, and even other humans outside. This invention that uses noise to fight noise could be a solution to their problems. What do you think of this invention?